All right, so we had this crazy idea this year. We had this idea that, hey, let's go out and shoot a turkey, and then we're gonna cook that thing and have a team dinner for our entire real estate team. So Big John and I are out here in the woods. I'd be lying if I tell you we were way out in the woods or not. There may or may not be a house right there. And we are onto a flock of turkeys that's cruising around. The homeowner here says they're a nuisance, so we're gonna take one off of his hands. At least that's the plan for the day. Stick around, let's see what happens. All right, so Big John picked up this turkey blind the other day at the store. Kind of handy. You'll see some outside shots of what it looks like. So we're tucked right up in this thing right now. There's a tag on it. It says it's the Brokeback Mountain Edition. Yeah. I don't know what that means, but sounds cool. So we'll see. John said it's gonna be okay.
That's gonna be real okay. I got you.
So this flock has been feeding in a circular pattern or kind of around this property, according to the homeowner. So we're set up over here. We've got a couple of decoys downrange. We're going to call them in as they get a little bit closer and hopefully kind of tag into them while we're in their feeding pattern as they circle back around. So we'll see what happens. We got one. We shot a hen. Best shot I could get was on this one right here, so we took it. And now we got ourselves some dinner for our team dinner coming up, so we'll see what we do with this.
That's awesome. Congratulations, dude.
Thanks, buddy. All right, we got it done, and now we're gonna get her cleaned up and get her ready for that team dinner. So we'll show you guys how we're gonna do that too. You can get a piece of that action too. Let's go.
Yeah. You can go all the way down.
Oh, like that?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, like take the whole thing out?
Yeah.
I see.
Nice.
Makes sense.
All right, we got the bird home, and now I'm just going around plucking all the feathers, and then we'll gut it. It makes quite a mess, as you can see. So, but it's good, you know. I had the kids come out and look at it. It's good to know where your food comes from up here. So that's starting to look somewhat plucked. Not a huge bird, obviously, but I'll take it. It's about as big as a store-bought chicken. But pretty cool when you can go out and harvest your own wild game right here in North Idaho. I think that. Thought you guys would like that turkey drop right there at the grocery store, but in reality, we did have to buy an extra one to help feed the crew because that turkey that I shot was kind of small. So, the whole goal of this video was to show you guys that North Idaho is an amazing place where you can harvest your own wild game and you can share it with your family and your friends. And that's what we're doing tonight. We've got our turkey that I shot. We've also got some store-bought turkey. And then our whole team got together tonight to have Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving. And we were cooking up both those turkeys, and everyone else brought a side dish. So we have tons of food to go around. And we are here at Dave's house, Dave and Renee's house. And we're gonna sit down and have a wonderful Friendsgiving with our team and kind of enjoy nature's bounty. So let's go.
All right, everybody. Sorry I can't be there, but for Friendsgiving, but we're heading out to the Freight Church for a week for chasing Neil deer. Thankful for each and every one of you. I appreciate everything that you done for me and my family. Looking forward to see you here in the next week. But have a good Thanksgiving, enjoy the turkey, and we'll be seeing you soon.
I know I say this all the time, but the community here in North Idaho is like no other. And you know, good times are always made better with good friends and family. So from all of us here at the North Idaho Experience, we wish you guys a wonderful and happy Thanksgiving.